Hi guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own GIF. Let's get started. Hey guys, like I said, today I'm going to show you how to make your own GIF. Alright, so first, this is what you want to do. You want to go, what GIF do you want to make? I don't know. Let's say I want to make a Raichu GIF. Raichu pictures. Okay, Raichu, you go to images, sorry. Now let's see. Now you choose your images. I'm going to fast forward this because sometimes I take a while to choose my images. So I'll be right back. I'm back, guys. I selected, I don't know, maybe just a few Raichu images. Now I'm going to go to ezgif.com. ezgif.com, also in the description. You can make a GIF. Now you're going to go to GIF Maker. So you want to save all those images like I showed in the last video. Left click and you can save all of them. Now you're going to choose files. And I'm just going to choose all the files I just chose, which was just saved 4 files. Okay, just wait a sec. Okay, upload and make a GIF. Okay, you want to hit resize. Now they're all resized, which is better. So now I suggest you do a time of 40. Oh, not 2040. A delay of 40. Kind of easier. I'll keep the loop there, so it just loop forever. We can do whatever you want with this. But that's really all you have to do. You can change this loop, but I'm keeping it like that. I'm not sure what these mean, so I'm just keeping it like that. And now you're just gonna, once you do that, you can just hit make a GIF. And boom, there's your GIF right here. Hold on, something's wrong. Okay, so there's your GIF. For some reason, the Longhorn Raichu keeps appearing above the other one. So say it changes to 200. I want to see what happens there. Make a GIF. It takes a little longer to load. So I'm gonna keep 40. So once you decide on all this stuff, right? You're just gonna do, you just left click. Oh, whoops, not this. Left click, save image as, and then save as your, let's say Raichu GIF I made. Now say hit save. I'm not going to because I'm not going to save this GIF. Once I save, you can go back to a video I made like 2 days ago on how to upload it. It's your profile picture. And that's it. That's all for today, guys. So we made a GIF. It doesn't take long. But I'll see you in the next video.